Alright, hey, I'm here to demo our brand new foil quill pen. This is essentially going to be able to turn whatever electronic cutting machine you have into a foiling machine. So if you have a Cricut, you have a Sizzix, Brother, Silhouette, this is going to work for you. So let me show you how it works. Alright, we're going to take our paper, we're going to take our foil, layer them. I'm actually using a magnetic mat that's kind of a prototype. It's something we're developing. It's not necessary though. You can just use whatever mat you have. You'll just use tape. This actually comes with placement tape to hold your foil down, okay? But this makes it really easy for my demo. All right, I'm going to load it into my machine. It's hard to do this backwards.
Upside down a little bit.
Yeah, load it into my machine. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, so here is our foil quill pen. So like I was talking about, these adapters just screw on and off. So this is the Silhouette adapter. I'm gonna use the Silhouette Cameo today. So this is gonna go right in this cartridge right here. And it's powered through USB. So this can plug into, sometimes it can plug into the machine depending on what machine you have. Otherwise a power bank works, your laptop, your computer, plug it into your wall, whatever. Okay, I'm sending the artwork. It's gonna start foiling. This will just take a couple minutes. While this goes, I can tell you that we have over 20 different colors of foil.
Excellent.
Of course, you can use any artwork that you want, but we do offer these great thumb drives that have 200 designs loaded on them in both SVG and PNG files. It actually opens up and you can kind of see all the artwork on there. We offer this all-in-one kit. So this has 3 different pens. It has the bold tip pen, the standard tip pen, which is the one we're using right here, and the fine tip pen. It comes with the 4 different adapters, the placement tape, 3 rolls of foil. Wow. So everything you need to get started. We also sell the pens individually. Individually they retail for $39.99, and then the all-in-one kit retails for $99.99.
And do you need to use a specific type of foil? I know you said you guys have multiple different colors, but is it a special foil?
It is engineered to work with our pens.
Perfect.
There are a few other foils on the market. Our heat wave foil will work with it, but for example, the Heidi Swapp mink foil will not work with it. So it just depends. Yeah, it's going to work on paper. It's going to work on different fabrics, ribbons, leathers. So all sorts of different materials. Let's see. I think we're wrapping up here. There we go. Wow. Let's see how this transferred. There we go. You can see that great detail, good coverage. It's not going to rub off.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.